So the street food is still on. They're under shelter and got umbrellas and that up, so you can still get your street food. Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. Thailand!
Hello, we're on tour with Dridgers. Welcome back to our Thailand series. Today, it's just going to be a normal day. I mean, we need to get some laundry done. We're going to eat loads of food. At the moment, it's tipping down. It's raining cats and dogs. But if you don't like these videos, please tell us in the comments and say, please don't do that again and please pee off. Because we're just going to do our normal stuff and this just maybe you'll find it interesting, maybe you won't.
So this is just an unplanned day, our normal life, travelling full time. First stop is laundry, as Ben said. We don't know how we're going to get there at the moment because it's a little bit wet. Today we decided this is our new thing. We're going to do darks today, and then when we got another moment, we'll do the lights. Because we just have far too much.
I didn't know this was our new thing, so this is our new thing, yeah?
I said to you, darks or lights?
Darks, yeah.
You picked darks?
That's one wearing light.
Because that's all you've got left.
That's all I've got left as well.
Okay, we're at the laundry shop. It is a self-service one. No idea how to use it. Never used one like this. So it looks like there's instructions up here. Load clothes and latch door. Add detergent and fabric softener. So there's a machine to buy your laundry detergent and all that. I don't know what we need.
This one?
Yeah?
Yep.
Right, 5 stuff there. I don't know if I think we might need like a perfume one and a hard one. So, put that. Put that one. So we've got our detergent and our fabric conditioner stuff. £5 each. Right, load all this in. We went for the smaller ones, the 10 kg ones. Oh, there's loads of room in there. Detergent space and your softener space. So for different temperature it's different prices, so we're going to go for warm, which is 50 baht.
Sorry, can I just get 2 coins? Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, Ned. That's it, get him to do the work. Next is the Tumble Dryer. What? Oh, you can't put your pets in there.
What a shame.
I don't think that's how you meant to do it, Ben. Oh god, temperature.
Mid?
Yeah, 40, do mid. Look, he's never done washing before.
Never done it.
This one. Start on the Tumble Dryer. So for the Tumble Dryer it's 40 baht again. We've gone on medium heat. If you wanted to go on high heat it's 50 baht. I think that'll be enough. So I'm not sure how long it is, there's no time on it. I think it just beeps when it's done. We found out as well that there actually is a change machine here, so we didn't have to run over to the shop. Well, that's the washing done. It took about an hour all in total with washing and drying. It cost us 90 baht. That is mental. I'm so gutted because we've only brought our darts, so we're probably going to go back and get our lights later and get that done.
It's not exactly far. What's this, 5 minutes from our place?
Oh yeah, it's not far from our place. The last wash we did was in Kandy in Sri Lanka, and it was probably the worst wash clothes I've ever seen in history. Like, they were still dirty, so they need a good wash again.
Yeah, so I think we're just walking down the road. On the way is the same coffee shop we went to the other day, Cafe Amazon. We're going to sit in there for a little while and do some work and chill out for a bit.
when he says do some work, I'm going to edit and upload a video of what he plays on TikTok.
No, I'm researching.
But the weather is awful today, so it's a good thing we're not really doing much. It hasn't stopped raining. I can hear thunder in the background.
Yeah.
So it's just going to be a sort of life out day, because tomorrow is a travel day.
By the way though, I'm loving Thailand. It is super cheap. I think it's cheaper than Sri Lanka.
Oh no! We heard where Thailand is such a big tourist destination that the prices are sharp. We haven't found it.
No, we're not in a very touristy place.
No, it'll probably go up when we get to like Bangkok, and we're avoiding Phuket. We've actually been to Thailand before, about 8 years ago. We've been to Phuket, so we're not going to go there again. But obviously, we didn't really experience it properly. We did the tourist things. We're going to do it properly.
It's all about street food.
It is definitely. We did. I don't think we even tried street food last time. All right, let's go to the cafe.
Right, we've just been sat in this coffee chain for a few hours, just uploading videos and stuff. It's called Cafe Amazon, right? It is the 6th largest coffee chain in the world, and it is Thai. There's 3,333 chains in the world. Amazing. And it's cheap and it's really good as well.
Alright, it closes at 7 there, and it's like 6:45. We're not going to be them people there last minute. So we're going to have to venture out to the rain. I'm not sure where we're eating yet. We wanted to get some street food, but with the bad weather, we don't know if there's going to be. So it might have to be the Big C. So let's go and have a look.
Big C,
and probably watch Ben slip over, because this floor's really slippery with these slips. Go on, walk in front. Go on. Oh, it does look like the street food's out. Street food is still on. Oh, that's the make rotties. So the street food is still on. They're under shelter and got umbrellas and that up, so you can still get your street food.
I want to sit down somewhere, don't you?
Yeah, so do I. I do like them burgers though. Should we get
To the Big C.
Should we get a burger for starters? It is quite quiet though. It's normally really busy here. It's not that busy now. So the place we've come to is like a food court, but I'm not really sure how it works. We've got to go up to a counter and get cards, but the cards only have about 100 baht on it each, and ours has come to like 258, so we've had to pay the 58 in cash, and then we've been given 2 cards. It's really confusing. I don't really know what's going on, but we've got some food coming. We paid. So we've ordered from that part of the food court. We've got some chips. Ben's got egg, rice, and like a steak bit of chicken, I think it's called.
Steak
Bit
chicken.
of cabbage. I've got some fried pork with some sesame seeds, it looks on, rice, a bit of some cabbage, and then we've got a side of gyozos, which are kind of, I think, like deep fried dumplings. They're quite nice. And we've got sauce. That's kind of like a sweet soya sauce. Really.
Yum.
What's in them?
So pork, but the outside skins are really crispy. It's really juicy. It's wondrous. Honestly, tastes right. Just packing up and heading out to the laundrette, so we will finish the video here. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe.
Ben, you can get rid of your basket now. Jim, I don't know,